Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the 30% bigger is better Old Spice Timber with Mint Antiperspirant and Deodorant. And this one is just, the net weight is 3.4 ounces, 96G. And this is what the back looks like. So starting off about this deodorant, I first encountered this because when I was younger and I would run out of mine, I would always use my dad's. So I'd be like, oh crap, I don't have deodorant. So I would always use my dad's deodorant. And quite frankly, guys, I think this smells better than girls' deodorant. But like I said, starting off when I was younger, I used to always like sneak some of my dad's. And then it got to the point where like I would have my own deodorant, but I was like, man, like my dad's deodorant smells better than mine. So I would always like use my dad's deodorant. So I was like, So then when I got to college, I found out that my roommate, she actually used Old Spice. And I know Old Spice actually makes like a girl brand, but I don't think it is as good as like the actual Old Spice. So I asked my roommate, I was like, what do you use that for? Because I just thought maybe her boyfriend left it. And she was like, no, this is my deodorant. And I was like, oh my goodness. Like I thought I was the only one who thinks this deodorant is better than girls' deodorant. So then once I started going through college a little more, I figured out that a lot of girls use Old Spice more than I expected them to. So then I started purchasing it and I love it, guys, so much. Honestly, probably the best deodorant that I've used so far, next to Secret. I love Secret, but Old Spice is like a super close runner-up. It smells so good. It doesn't leave you sweaty. Like it says antiperspirant. You never have to worry about sweat stains on your shirts. Honestly, the best deodorant, like especially during hot summer days. One of my favorites. This one smells so good. I don't know if any of you guys use the body wash. Body wash smells good, but I won't take it that far. I think deodorant is enough. For me, the body wash is a little bit too much. Like, I don't want to be walking around completely smelling like a man because I am a woman. So, but the body wash in this smells so good. I would recommend this. If you're traveling, they do make these in travel sizes. If you're going on business trips, good deodorant. If you're looking for a gift to give your significant other, your dad, your brother, anything along those lines, such a good gift. Like, and I love this one because it's the 30% bigger, it's better. And it obviously, if it's bigger, then it's going to be more product for you to use. So you're really getting your money's worth. The one thing that I can say about this, guys, though, is that it's very, 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 very expensive, especially for a deodorant, I would say, in my opinion. It's not something that, it's really something that like, it's like you've been using this for a while, so it's like you're gonna buy it because that's the deodorant you use. So you've been using it for a while, that's the deodorant you're gonna use, and that's where you invest your money in it. It's around $6 or $7 for a, I want to say a 2-pack. I don't really know the exact price, but just know, guys, that you will be spending quite a bit. But like I said, in my opinion, I do believe it is worth it. Something that I do want to touch on with this deodorant, I've had multiple people say to me that they've had to stop using it because they've gotten like chemical reaction from it, like where they start breaking out or their skin starts turning red from it. I just want to say that's personally never happened to me. I don't know if it has to do with your skin being sensitive. Just be cautious if you do have like very sensitive skin, that you're being cautious. And that's with anything. Anybody with sensitive, I know I have sensitive, I know my arms because I have eczema. So just if you know your body, you know what you can use. And obviously, like if you know that you need to use a certain type of deodorant, please be cautious if you do decide to use this. But overall, in general, guys, hands down, like one of the best deodorants. Like, and they do have this deodorant in other scents too as well. So this just happens to be my favorite, but they do have, I honestly don't know some of the other scents. I know a lot of my friends, they use other scents, but I do think this one smells the best in my opinion. And like I said too, if you really do enjoy this product, you should go check out more of Old Spice's products. They have cologne, body wash. I'm not sure what else I think they have like maybe shampoo, I'm pretty sure. And they do have these in travel sizes like I stated before, so if you're looking for something to carry around, and even this, guys, this is not that big. Definitely will fit in a bag or anything of that sort. Carry it with you. Not that big. Honestly, I literally will throw this in my purse if it's going to be hot or I'm going to the beach and I know I'm going to need like an extra swipe or two throughout the day. Some good stuff. And also too, another thing too about this that I really do like is the styling of it. It's called Old Spice, so it kind of gives you like an old feel, like something that like your dad or like your uncle would use, which makes it like even cooler in my opinion, because you'd never expect a woman to use it, but guys, this is honestly a good deodorant. Just like I said before, I love this deodorant. I would suggest it to anybody who's looking for something that help them like with antiperspirant. This is just the Old Spice 30% Bigger is Better Timber with Mint deodorant.